welcome back to my channel, and this is Munita Aneja, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe right now. So today I'm talking about the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. Guys, this has been one skincare product which has entirely changed my skincare game. Like in between, I was really looking for a product. I tried a lot of moisturizers and serums, and I was really searching for something which could help me with my dehydrated skin. I was like, it started looking very lifeless, dull, and I was not feeling that good with my skin. And I was searching with something with the hyaluronic acid because of its immense benefits. And then I got to know that L'Oreal Paris is actually coming out with this 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum in India, and I was super happy, and I have been trying it since more than 10 to 15 days now, and I can feel the changes in my skin. So first of all, let me tell you what is hyaluronic acid. Basically, this is something which is naturally found in your skin, especially the connective tissues or under the eyes and all of these regions. But you know, after the age of 20, the amount starts diminishing in your body. And to maintain that hydration in your skin, to maintain that retention of moisture in your skin, you really need something. So this product right here, guys, enhances your skin radiance by 42%. So I'll start by telling you that you all know that I have this extra sensitive acne prone skin, and sometimes I face the problem of I have a really combination skin. Sometimes it gets too dry, sometimes I feel like it's too oily. So that's the problem with people who are having a combination skin type. And choosing a product is so difficult for me, especially when I'm just scared that the next day I could just wake up with acne on my face. But this product didn't cause any such breakout thing or anything like that. Instead, what I have really observed is, in spite of my sleepless routine and exhausting routine, working for 18 hours also, if I'm using this product, if I'm using this serum, it is at least giving me that radiant look. It is taking away the puffiness out of my face. And even if the dermatologists are raving so much about it, we really need to know what hyaluronic acid really does. So this particular acid which we are talking about is very helpful in retaining the moisture of your skin. It maintains the hydration, it repairs your worn out tissues, and basically it keeps your skin radiant and plump and glowing throughout the day. Okay, so you can use it 2 times a day. It totally depends on you. I basically like to cleanse my face, and this is the one thing which is present in my skincare routine right now. After my cleanser, like, I just cleanse my face properly, and then after cleaning, you can also moisturize your skin. I also like to use a moisturizer, a subtle moisturizer with green tea or something like that in it, and then I go for the application of this L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. So basically, you can see the bottle over here. It's a very sleek glass bottle, as expected by L'Oreal Paris every time, and there's a dropper present in it, and I just show you the application, and then I keep on telling you about how scientifically or according to dermatologists what are the various benefits of this product. So what you have to do is, I've cleansed my skin. So here I take few drops of this precious serum. Make sure you just take few drops and you just don't go on wasting it, and it lasts a long time for you. And you can just, dab it all over your face, and it feels very lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy. It is getting absorbed really fast. You can just take a look at my skin. It has absorbed really fast, and it is not leaving those marks that I have applied something on my skin. But it is definitely making me feel like as if I've got some moisture in my skin, and my skin is not feeling dry or scaly, or as if it will just tear away in some time. If you are having zero problems with your skin right now, you have got a really clear skin, glass skin and everything, you still need to try this product out and see the benefits yourself. As I mentioned earlier, it's the #1 product in USA, and you need to try your hands on it, because I am completely amazed by the results. If you really want to know, it has the capacity of holding into 1,000 times its own weight in moisture. It has no parabens, no fragrance, no colorants, nothing to worry about. In fact, it has no alcohol content as well. So you don't need to worry about any other thing. And usually what happens is that we are very wary of the fragrances, and sometimes even if you like the product and the fragrance is not good, it causes allergy and something, you really don't want to pick it up. And this product is something which is completely clear. It doesn't have a fragrance at all, and this has made it very simple for people with all skin types to use it. It doesn't cause breakouts. It's good for sensitive skin as well, so you don't need to worry about it. What I suggest you is that you should use it 2 times a day, and definitely cleanse your skin first, apply a good moisturizer, whichever is your favorite moisturizer out there, and then go for this serum. Then apply this serum. You just need to take little drops so that you can manage to, this bottle will last for a long time if you use it pressurized. So I'll be really honest with you guys that, hyaluronic acid was such a product in vogue these days that when L'Oreal Paris had just launched it, I had to give it a shot. And the basic benefit of the L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum is that, the composition, the concentration is perfect with 1.5% of hyaluronic acid. And it worked wonders on my skin. And talking about this, it comes in 2 sizes. The one is 15 ml size, which will cost you 499 rupees, and the another one is 30 ml size, which will cost you 999 rupees. So if you're looking for instant hydration and skin radiance with a whopping 42% increase, then you definitely need to get your hands on this thing, guys. It's super budget friendly, it's travel friendly, it's sleek, the premium packaging and everything. It doesn't give you anything to talk against it. So L'Oreal Paris has definitely never disappointed me with their entire range of products, and this is one of my favorite indeed. And if you want to buy this, just check out my description box and click on the purchase links and you can directly buy this product. Also, you will witness that your skin texture is improving day by day. It takes like ranging from 2 weeks to 8 weeks, your skin texture will be improving according to the condition your skin is having right now. But definitely this L'Oreal Paris 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, I'll give you a big thumbs up for it. Go and purchase it, guys. See it for yourself. Thank you. Also, guys, you love me so much and I love you all so much, and still you give me views but you just don't subscribe to my channel. This is not fair, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and share the content if you like it. I really need it right now. Thank you so much.